Ogi, ogi, ogi. Ogi, ogi, ogi. 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 Ogi, ogi, ogi. Shwmai pawb. Pawb yn barod i ymarfer corff? Is everyone ready to exercise? Nawr te, dysgwr dwi. Dewch i dysgu gyda fi. I am a learner. Come and learn with me. Mr Fit dwi, a croeso i Factory Fit a 5 munud I symud. My name's Mr Fit and welcome to the Fit Factory. Heddiw, rydyn ni'n mynd I wneud 5 symudiad, 20 eiliad I symud a 10 eiliad I orffwys. Today, we're going to do 5 exercises. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Symudiad cyntaf ydy rhedeg ar y smot. The first move is running on the spot. Yr ail, second, squats. Y trydydd, third, punches. Y pedwerydd, fourth, jumping jacks. A symudiad olaf, the last move, squat and kick. Byddwn ni'n wneud y cylchred 2 waith. We're going to do the circuit twice. Barod? Ready? 3, 2, 1, ewch. 20 eiliad, 20 seconds. Rhedeg ar y smot. Deg eiliad, 10 seconds. Dal ati. Keep at it. 3, 2, 1, stopiwch. Ymlaciwch, rest. 3, 2, 1, ewch. Symudiad nesa, squats. Deg eiliad. 5, 3, 2, 1, stopiwch. Ymlaciwch. Symudiad nesaf, punches. Ready? Barod? 3, 2, 1, ewch. Da iawn. Keep it going. 10 eiliad. 10 seconds to go. 5, 3, 2, 1, stopiwch. Ymlaciwch, rest. Symudiad nesa, jumping jacks. 2, 1, ewch. Dwi'n hoffi jumping jacks. Dal ati, keep it going. 3, 2, 1, stopiwch. Ymlaciwch. Symudiad nesaf, squat and kick. 2, 1, ewch. Deg eiliad I fynd. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, stopiwch. Ymlaciwch. Rest. Da iawn pawb. Ardderchog. Excellent. Yr un cylchred eto. The same circuit again. Barod? 3, 2, 1. Bant â chi. Off you go. Can you get those knees up? Dal ati. 3, 2, 1. Ymlaciwch. Rest. Symudiad nesa. Squat. 3, 2, 1. Bant â chi. Deg eiliad I fynd. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Stopiwch. Ymlaciwch. 10 eiliad. 3, 2, 1. Punches eto. Keep it going, dal ati, keep at it. 10 eiliad I fynd. 3, 2, 1, stopiwch. Ymlaciwch. Symudiad nesaf. Jumping jacks. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Pum eiliad I fynd. Stopiwch, ymlaciwch. Symudiad olaf. Squat and kick. 3, 2, 1, plant chi. Almost there now, guys, keep going. Pum eiliad I fynd. 2, 1, stopiwch. Ymlaciwch, rest. Ardderchog pawb, da iawn, excellent. Dewch yn ôl am fwy o Mr Fit yn y dyfodol. Join me next time for another workout coming soon. Diolch yn fawr iawn a cofiwch I symud. Hwyl am y tro.